Hey, in this video I will show you how to use Twitter bookmarks on any iPhone and on any Android device in 2021. It's an updated tutorial, so make sure you give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions while you're watching the video whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And also, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. Curious to know. So what you want to do to actually use Twitter bookmarks is, for example, let me check Twitter. I really like the tweet from Elon Musk. Obviously, he's a great guy and he's helping us and he's supporting crypto. But if there's a long tweet that I want to save, you can't really save it by just pressing on it or clicking the three dots. What you want to do is click on the share button next to it. And sometimes the tweet will open, so you can just open it so it's a little bit bigger. Click on the share button, and from there you want to go to the right. Normally you have a bookmark option here, but if you don't, just go to the right, click on bookmark, and to access it for later, to see it later, all you gotta do is go on the home page, click on the three dashes at the top left corner. From there, you want to navigate to bookmarks, and you see it here. Thank you, comments. That's pretty cool. If this video helped you out, you can help me out by giving the video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, because we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this for your value. I'm doing all my best to reply to comments. So if you have any questions surrounding any how-to, any issue that you can have online, let me know in the comment section down below. I try to reply to every single comment. See you in the next video.